Here is how to update your emergency contact in Gusto. Start from your Gusto account home screen while you are already signed in. On the left side of the page, look for the navigation menu and click My Profile. This opens your profile area where your personal details and account information are organized into sections. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the profile options are fully visible before continuing. Once you are in My Profile, move to the information area and click Personal. This section contains the personal details attached to your account. You may see several fields and categories on the page, so take a moment to make sure you are in the correct section before moving on. The personal page is where Gusto stores the information related to you, including the emergency contact details you want to change. After the personal section opens, scroll down the page until you reach the emergency contact section. Depending on your screen size, this section may be lower on the page than expected, so continue scrolling until the label is clearly visible. Make sure you are looking at the emergency contact area and not another editable section nearby. On the right side of the emergency contact section, click Edit. This switches the section into an editable view so you can make changes. Once the fields are available, enter the contact information or update the existing details as needed. Fill in the available fields with your emergency contact's current information. If there is already information in place, review it carefully and replace anything that is out of date. This is the point where you should confirm that the details match the person you want listed as your emergency contact. When all of the fields have been updated, click Save. This applies the changes to your profile. Give the page a moment if Gusto needs time to process the update. After saving, the emergency contact section should reflect the new or revised information. If you still see the old details, check whether the page finished saving before clicking away. At this stage, your emergency contact information in Gusto has been updated through the personal section of your profile. Thanks for watching. Your emergency contact in Gusto is now updated.